Good morning all. Next part is rounding of numbers. Okay, this rounding of numbers is mainly we used in the case of approximation or estimation. Okay, for example, if anyone asked you what is the cost of your new dress, okay, sometimes we will not remember that actual cost. Suppose if its cost is 893, okay, we will not remember always its cost is 893. Then what we will say, it is nearest to it is near to 900 rupees. Okay, this 993 that changes that we will forget. So they also want to know only about the an average value, no need to answer to the exact number. Okay, in that cases we are using estimation or rounding. Now we are round the numbers 893 to the next tens or next hundreds, like that. An average value, it is not want to know the actual value of that. We only want to know about its an average value. It is nearer to which. Is it possible to buy that type of dress to me also? That type only we need. In that cases we round the numbers. Another case is also in a function. Another example, in a function we will say around 1000 guests attended this marriage. Okay, actually sometimes there will not be actual 1000 guests. Sometimes there will be 1002 guests will be attended. Otherwise there will be only 998 or 997 guests will be attended. But we will say an average as about 1000 guests attended that function. So many similar cases like that we can have in our situations. So here when we round the numbers, there are some rules. Okay, three types of rounding. First we can round the numbers. Three types are there. First, rounding numbers to nearest 10. Okay, rounding numbers to nearest 10. Just like rounding numbers to nearest 100, rounding numbers to nearest 1000 also there. First we can discuss how we round the numbers to nearest 10. Suppose a question, if it is given round 53 to nearest 10, round 53 to nearest 10, then we will remember that 53 we know it's the tens and tens. 53 lies in between 50 and 60. Between the multiples of 10, 50 and 60, this 53 lies. And when we write the numbers in order, that 53 will be nearer to 50 or 60. That we know, near to 50. The middle value of 50 and 60 we know that is 55. So the numbers below this 55, that is 54, 53, 52, 51, that all numbers we can round to 50. Okay, and the numbers after this 55, that is 56, 57, 58, 59, that all numbers we can round to 60. That is the rule of rounding of numbers to nearest 10. And if the middle number 55, suppose one question asked. So in this first, before discussing 55, we can say its answer. 53, so when we round to nearest 10, what will be its answer? It will be 50. Okay. Now another number, if the number 57, round 57 to nearest 10, then what will be the answer? Now we know 57 is in between 55 and 60, just near here. So it is nearest to 60. So 57 we will round to 60. Okay, and another number 52. 52 also we can round to 50 because 52 will be here. That is nearest to 50 than 60. Okay, so another, if the middle value asked, round 55. If the question is round 55 to nearest 10. In that case also we want to round to up or to the next tens. So 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. These full numbers we are rounding up. And the just numbers 54, 53, 52, 51, all numbers we are rounding to 50. This is one example. Another question, if another question is asked, 73, round 73 to nearest 10, or 74, same number we can see. 74, round 74 to nearest 10. So 74 we know that is in between 70 and 80. Okay, so and nearest to which 70 or 80? It is nearest to 70. So 74 we can round it to 70. And if the number is 78, 78 we will round it to, that is nearest to 80. Okay. Now if the middle number, if it is 75, what is, if the question is asked round 75 to nearest 10, then it will be rounded to 80. So the numbers, so ones place, if the ones place digit you want to check, if the ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, that numbers we will round to up. And if the ones place digit is less than 5, that numbers we will round to down. Okay. So that is the rule of rounding numbers to nearest 10. Now if any 3-digit number also, that case also, if the question is rounds 652 to nearest 10. So 52, only remember this 52. 52 we know that is in between 50 and 60. And 2 is less than 5. So we can round the number 650. Okay, another 813. When we round 813 to nearest 10, 3 is less than 5. So we can round down 810. If the number is 955, when we round this number, what will be 900? Because ones place digit is 5, it will round up, that is 960. Okay, these are the cases of rounding numbers to nearest 10. Just like rounding numbers to nearest 100 and 1000 also, that we can discuss next class. Okay, thank you.